If there was a fire and I could only save 5 pieces from my wardrobe, these would be the ones. Not because they are expensive, but they hold stories. Each one connects me to something more than just fashion. Hi, I'm Haley, and today we are going to talk about something a bit different. Instead of what to buy and what's trending, I want to share pieces that truly spark joy for me. Marie Kondo talks about keeping things that spark joy, but for me, it's more than that. These 5 pieces connect me to my heritage, my value, and my journey towards mindful living. Each piece I'm sharing today has a story. Some connect me to artisans and some connect me to my family. And all of them remind me why I choose quality over quantity. So let's talk about 5 sustainable pieces that I would save in fire and why they mean so much to me. First is this hand embroidered wrap dress from Okai. Look at this beautiful mirror work and these delicate embroidered flowers in all 7 colors. What makes this special isn't just how it looks. Okai works directly with women artisans in Gujarat. When I wear this, I'm carrying their skill and creativity with me. I have not worn this dress yet, but I can't wait to wear it. The fabric feels so soft on my skin and it's really a high quality piece. It's my first purchase from Okai and I can surely say that it's not my last. This dress is perfect for job interviews, family functions, and quiet days when I need to feel beautiful. It's not just a dress, it's a wearable art that supports traditional crafts. And that's why it would definitely make it out of fire with me. Next is this block printed dress from Chidia. I know block printing is everywhere now, but there's something about this dress that feels timeless. Block printing is one of India's oldest textile traditions. Each print is made by hand using carved wooden blocks. No 2 pieces are exactly identical. The beige and the blue combination works with so many occasions. It's perfect for work presentations and lazy Sunday brunches. I absolutely love the silhouette of this dress. This is a very unique piece and I don't have anything like this in my closet. What I love most is how it ages. The cotton gets softer with each wash and the colors become more mellow. It's like wine. It gets better with time. I haven't worn this dress yet. Still I can say this because I am wearing a top from Chidia from last 2 to 3 years and it's very soft. In our world of fast fashion, owning something that improves with age feels revolutionary. This dress teaches me patience and the beauty of slow fashion. Third is this butter yellow night set from Fab India. Now I know Fab India isn't a small brand, but they have been supporting local craftsmanship for decades. This set represents something important and that's accessible sustainable fashion. Not everyone can afford small artisan brands and that's okay. Fab India bridges that gap. I bought this recently and I fell in love from the first time I touched it and felt the fabric on my hands. Yellow is such a hopeful color and wearing this always lifts my mood. The hand block printing is absolutely beautiful. When I wear it for bed, I don't want to change it in the morning and want to stay in it the whole day. Sometimes sustainability isn't about finding the most ethical brand. Sometimes it's about buying pieces you will love and wear it for years. This set has earned its place in my heart. Fourth is what I'm already wearing. It's a Tijil necklace from Studio Anviksha. It's handcrafted from pure brass with this beautiful sculptural design. What draws me to this piece is how it feels both ancient and modern. The design is inspired by natural textures and it has this fluid, organic shape. Jewelry for me isn't about having many pieces. It's about having a few that feels like extensions of myself. This necklace does that. The brass has this beautiful antique finish that gets better with wear. Unlike fast fashion jewelry that tarnishes or breaks, this is made to last generations. When I wear this, I feel connected to the artisan who shaped it. There's something powerful about wearing something made by human hands, not machines. Last and most precious, my watch collection. These aren't pieces that I bought, but I got it from my parents, my aunts, and my grandfather. Each watch carries a story. This one's belonged to my grandfather and it's super old. This one belongs to my mother. She used to wear it for 20 years. Every time I wear one of these watches, I carry a piece of my family's history. My mama's watch still keeps perfect time after all these years. These pieces are little worn out and have scratches, but that's what makes them really valuable. This is the most sustainable fashion of all. Pieces that pass through generations. No new resources used, no new production, just love and memories continuing their journey. These watches remind me that the most sustainable wardrobe is one filled with pieces we treasure enough to keep forever. Looking at these 5 pieces, I realize they all share something. They all connect me to artisans, to my family, and to tradition. This is what sustainable fashion really means to me. It's not just about the environment, though that matters. It's about creating connections to the people who made our clothes, to our own stories, and our values. I would love to know about your treasured pieces. What would you saving fire? Maybe it's something handmade, maybe it's inherited, or maybe it makes you feel like you. Share your stories in the comments below. Let's celebrate the pieces that spark joy and have meaning in our lives. If this made you think differently about the pieces you own, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing for more content on mindful living and sustainable fashion. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.